Did you know that over 94 million adults in the United States have high cholesterol? Globally, high cholesterol is a major health issue, contributing to an estimated 4.4 million deaths each year. With so many lives impacted, it's essential to know which foods to avoid if you have high cholesterol and how you can lower it through simple lifestyle changes. Welcome back to Holistic Living. Today we're uncovering the high cholesterol foods to avoid and discussing how to lower cholesterol naturally. We'll also share powerful resources in the description to support your journey toward heart health. Don't miss the links in the description. So let's get started. Cholesterol can be tricky, and some foods make it even harder to manage. Let's walk through the worst offenders in this high cholesterol foods list to avoid. Stick with us until the end because these insights could be the key to reclaiming your health this year. Studies show that processed meats like bacon, sausages, and deli meats are associated with a 42% increased risk of heart disease. These high cholesterol foods are packed with saturated fats and preservatives, both of which drive up LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that clogs arteries and leads to heart issues. Instead, consider lean, low cholesterol foods like turkey or chicken breast. A small swap in your high cholesterol diet can go a long way in lowering cholesterol and supporting heart health. Research reveals that fried foods can increase heart disease risk by up to 30%. When foods are fried, especially in hydrogenated oils, they absorb unhealthy trans fats that not only raise LDL but also lower HDL, the good cholesterol your body needs. If you're craving something crispy, air frying is a great alternative. This way you can enjoy your favorite foods without the impact on cholesterol. Dairy products like whole milk cream, butter, and cheese are high in saturated fats, which can increase LDL cholesterol by 17%. These foods make the list of foods to avoid with high cholesterol because they drive up both LDL and overall cholesterol levels. Consider swapping in low-fat or plant-based dairy options, such as almond or oat milk. These alternatives offer the same great taste but without the saturated fats that negatively impact your cholesterol. Donuts, pastries, cookies, and cakes are tempting, but are high cholesterol foods often made with hydrogenated oils and loaded with sugar. Diets high in these ingredients can increase LDL cholesterol by 15% and drive up triglycerides, contributing to heart disease. To satisfy your cravings without compromising your heart health, try baked goods made with whole grains and natural sweeteners, which are much better for managing cholesterol. Red meats, particularly fatty cuts like ribeye, are notorious for raising cholesterol. Studies show that diets high in red meat can increase LDL cholesterol by 10 to 20%. These are definitely foods to avoid if you have high cholesterol. Instead, choose leaner cuts or go for plant-based proteins like beans and lentils. They provide protein without the added cholesterol risk and fit perfectly in a low cholesterol foods diet. Egg yolks are rich in nutrients but also contain a high amount of dietary cholesterol. With about 186 milligrams of cholesterol per yolk, they can add up quickly if consumed regularly, so moderation is essential for those managing high cholesterol. Mix whole eggs with egg whites in recipes for a balanced, protein-rich meal with less cholesterol. This is a simple yet effective way to reduce cholesterol intake naturally. Tropical oils like coconut and palm oil contain high levels of saturated fats, which can increase LDL cholesterol by up to 20% when consumed frequently. Although trendy, these oils are best avoided if you're aiming to lower cholesterol. Instead, use heart-healthy oils like olive or canola oil. These monounsaturated fats are better for cholesterol and heart health. Fast food combines saturated fats, trans fats, and sodium, making it one of the worst choices in a high cholesterol diet. Studies show that regular fast food consumption can increase LDL cholesterol by 12% within just a month. Opt for healthier fast food choices like grilled items or salads, which are better for your heart. Every small choice contributes to lowering cholesterol over time. High sugar intake is linked to a 14% increase in triglycerides, which can raise LDL cholesterol and put extra strain on your heart. Sugary snacks and drinks are subtle yet dangerous foods that raise cholesterol. Switch to water, unsweetened teas, or sparkling water with a twist of lemon as refreshing alternatives that won't affect your cholesterol levels. Lowering cholesterol naturally doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some effective steps. 1. Choose heart-healthy foods. Focus on cholesterol-lowering foods like oats, beans, and leafy greens. These high-fiber foods help reduce LDL levels by blocking cholesterol absorption. 2. Limit saturated and trans fats. Avoid high cholesterol foods such as fatty meats, full-fat dairy, and fried foods that increase LDL levels. Stick to lean proteins and plant-based options. 3. Opt for healthy oils. Use olive or canola oil instead of butter or coconut oil. These oils contain heart-friendly monounsaturated fats, which help lower cholesterol. 4. Exercise regularly. Physical activity can help raise HDL, the good cholesterol, which helps reduce LDL in the bloodstream. 5. Consider natural supplements. Omega-3s, plant sterols, and soluble fiber supplements are known to support healthy cholesterol levels. As mentioned at the beginning of this video, we've included links in the description to some highly recommended supplements rich in these ingredients to help you get started. As promised, you'll find links to these cholesterol-supporting supplements in the description below. These are ideal for those looking to naturally support their heart health. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Holistic Living for more insights on how to lower cholesterol naturally and maintain a healthier lifestyle. Comment below with any questions or tips of your own. And remember, every small step toward a healthier heart counts.